Hey everyone, AppFam here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get Cydia on your iOS 13.2 device with no computer. This is 100% untethered and it works on all the latest devices, including the iPhone 11 Pro. Alright, so I'm working with an iPhone XS, so I'm just going to show you guys this app's got all the features that you need in Cydia, so you don't need to worry about that. This thing is fully loaded, guys, and like I said, no computer, it's untethered. And you know, it literally only takes 2 minutes. Anybody can do this, so just follow along with me, guys. Alright, so the first you guys want to do is open up Safari, okay? And make sure you do this in Safari. It only works in Safari, okay? And go to the website apphacks.co/Cydia, okay? There's the website, guys. Oh, sorry. apphacks.co/Cydia, okay? And basically what we're going to do on this site is we're going to download the Cydia installer profile, and from there we will I'll teach you guys how to complete the installation of Cydia and get it working within like 2 minutes tops, okay? So click the go button on your browser, okay? It's going to say this website is trying to download profile. Make sure you click allow, okay? So now we're going to go to our settings. I'm going to show you guys how to complete that in case you don't know. So go to your settings and it should say, sorry, my screen's a little bright there. Should say profile downloaded right there. Okay, so just click the profile downloaded button, click install. Okay, so make sure it says Cydia. So as you can see, Cydia requires no special permissions. Okay, install. Okay, there you go, guys. So done. That is installed. Okay, as you can see, I just updated my Cydia installer profile. So I'm going to show you guys now from here exactly what to do. So make sure you listen close and listen to everything I say from here on out, guys, because it's extremely important and you don't want to have to spend a lot of time wanting to do it over again. And you know, so first thing you do is open up the Cydia profile, okay? So once you got it open, you need to complete the installation. So this is basically a shell and you need to transfer the rest of the files over. So just click on any of the features here. So I'll click manage account. Okay, so as you can see, it says injection required. So basically all you have to do at this point is you just have to click the start injection button, and once you click the start injection button, it's going to take you to the content injection web page, which basically is going to instruct you to install and open 2 apps for about 30 to 60 seconds each. Alright, so basically what's going to happen is when you install these apps and you open them, it's going to begin transferring the rest of the files over that are required for Cydia to function properly. So yeah, it's super simple, and Cydia should load within 30 minutes, but I want to, like, after completing it, if it doesn't load within 30 minutes, then you probably did something wrong in the content injection. So I want you guys to keep in mind, follow each individual app's instructions. So I know it says install and open 2 apps for 30 to 60 seconds each, but make sure you do exactly what each app says. So some will say install and open this app and play the game up to like level 5, or like install, sign up, and blah blah blah. So make sure you do exactly what each individual app says. Don't just leave it open for 30 seconds. Do exactly what it says on the content injection page when you click on the app. So anyways, because basically each step is extremely important. The developers want to be a bit sneaky, or they don't want to always have to be updating the apps and adding more apps, so it's just safer when they hide it that way. So anyways, guys, within 30 minutes of completing the content injection, Cydia should load with all the features handy. This will just go right back to the Cydia page, and then yeah, guys, so like I said, if it doesn't load within 30 minutes, install more apps, leave them open longer, and follow each individual app's instructions. So that's all I got to say on this. Have fun jailbreaking your iOS 13.2 device, and thanks for watching.